Every kiss, every hug. Let me stay in your arms.
Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Hope everybody's well on this lovely day. No matter where you are in the world and whatever you've been doing, I hope you've had a lot of happiness and some sunshine and some smiles today. Today I'm going to be making this lovely salad that consists of lentils and pumpkin, that's the base, and then there are a few other goodies thrown in for good measure. But I'm going to get started. I've diced up 400 grams of butternut pumpkin. I'm going to start, just spray it with some olive oil and just dress it very lightly with some salt and pepper, and then roast it for about 20-25 minutes. Nothing special here. And once this is all lovely and cooked and cooled down, I'll have the rest of the ingredients. Let's make the luscious dressing. We'll need a couple of really nice lemons. I've got a really huge one and a smaller one. But first I'm just going to grate some of this skin to include in this lovely oily lemon dressing. At least half of this lemon's grated skin. And try not to get any of the white or the pith in, makes it bitter. Let's get in there. That's plenty. And now all I need to do is get the juice out of these gorgeous lemons. Hopefully they'll have plenty of it. Sometimes lemons look gorgeous, but they've got no juice, no anything. This one's lovely though. Plenty of juice. So we'll pour that in. Get this other going. There we go. Have our lemon juice. To finish off the dressing, I've got 8 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and just put in a little at a time because you want to emulsify it in the lemon juice. So the best way to do that is obviously to whisk it through very fast. Try not to get it all over you like I am. And add some more. Just a little at a time. Yes, that's looking good. And I'll add the last little bit. That's nice. And to this, obviously, I'm going to add some salt and some pepper, and then just give this a final whisk. I think I might actually do it with a fork. Less spillage that way. Okay, let's assemble this lovely, lovely salad. So here I've boiled 400 grams of green lentils until they're cooked. If you want to use a can, just use a 400 gram can of good quality Italian lentils or French lentils and rinse them thoroughly. So here goes the lentils. And I'm going to add the salad dressing so those lentils can really suck that up. I won't add it all completely. I'll just see how I go. And give that a good stir. Lovely. And then next I'm going to add 3 chopped spring onions and 1 deseeded and chopped Lebanese cucumber. So there's some lovely crunch there. And to that I'm going to add some lovely fresh chopped walnuts and some chopped cranberries. Let's get those all in there together. And a nice big handful of fresh chopped parsley. And of course, finally, we must add the roasted pumpkin. So in it goes. And give this all a lovely toss. And you're going to get all those lovely flavours combining through. And look, I'm happy to have this on its own as a Meatless Monday vegetarian kind of thing. Or equally as happy to have it with a protein. Tonight I'm going to have it on its own, but for you, if you'd want to make it or have it, you know, a piece of nice pork or a piece of steak or a piece of grilled salmon, but it's just delicious on its own. Now just a final lovely grind of fresh black pepper and a little bit more salt. That's it. And it's done. How easy was that? And how healthy is this? There it is. Gorgeous. Pumpkin, lentil, cucumber, walnut and cranberry salad. Perfect vegetarian meal.
Every kiss, every hug, let me stay.